तेरे साथ का ये खेल तेरे बिन जीना मैं जीना तेरे बिन तेरे लिए In primary detention, which of the following is not a present? Premolar, molar, premolar. 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 C. How long does it take for a bacteria from oral flora to adults to a dental claw? By their interbacterial matrix. 6 to 12 hours. 6 to 12 hours. 6 to 12 hours. Unwanted and harmful effect of a drug is called side effect. Unwanted and harmful effect of drugs is called side effect. Side effect. Side effect. C number. What is the first immunization typically administered to a newborn? BCG vaccination. BCG vaccination. Once again, what is the first immunization typically administered to a newborn? Is BCG vaccination. Question number B. Diabetic and other type of neuropathic pain often respond to diabetic and other type of neuropathic pain often respond to C number. Impairment. Impairment. IMPRAMINE. Diabetic and other type of neuropathic pain often respond to impairment. And which one of the following is a loop diuretic? Loop diuretic is furosemide. Furosemide, F-U-R-O-C-E-M-I-D. Furosemide. Loop diuretic means furosemide. 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 C number. Stoker's line is seen in Stoker's line. Petrygum. Petrygum. C number. How many type of population pyramid are there? How many type of population pyramid are there? 3 type. Population pyramid. 3 type. How many type of population pyramid are there? Have you know that how many type of a population pyramid? Delivery of a fetus through abdomen incision is called cesarean section. Delivery of fetus through abdomen incision is called cesarean section. It means cesarean section by manual or artificial. Caesarean section. Cecation. Caesarean section. Delivery of a fetus through in abdominal incision is called caesarean section. Caesarean section means of the which hormone help in secretion of breast milk. Which hormone is helps to secrete breast milk? Prolactin. 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 Prolactin hormone is responsible for breast milk. C number. What is the infection stage of Aceriniasis? Aceriniasis means phenol. 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 B number. Prolactin. Prolactin. A number. And which diagnostic test is considered the gold standard for confirming syphilis infection? Which diagnosis test is considered the gold standard for confirming syphilis infection? Syphilis infection is meant syphilis infection. Question 30 number. What is the infection stage? Phenol. Question number 2. What is the infective stage of psoriasis? Infective stage 12. Embryonic. What is the infective stage of psoriasis? Which diagnostic test is considered the golden standard for confirming the syphilis infection? Which diagnostic test? Question number 13. FTA-ABS fluorescent phenotypic antibody absorption test. Fluorescent phenotypic antibody absorption test. FTA-ABS. Fluorescent tropinomer tropinomer antibody antibody ABSORPTIN absorption test. Welcome guys, welcome. Exposure to noise above causes permanent loss of a hearing. Exposure to noise above causing permanent loss of a hearing. 40 number. It means 100 dB. 100 dB. 100 dB. 100 dB. Which property best describe KMnO4 in a chemical reaction? Which property? I mean 50 number. 50 number oxiding reagent. OXIDIZIN oxiding agent. Oxiding agent. Hello guys, welcome to my live. So today we are discussing about health related questions. As you know, I am a health professional, basic level doctor in Nepal. So I have to prepare for my license exam. So incubation period of gonorrhea. Incubation period of gonorrhea is 2 to 2 to 7 days. Incubation period of gonorrhea. As you know, gonorrhea means a sexually transmitted disease. It can be caused as like a multiple partner involvement. गोनोरिया ऐसा जो है हेलो राहुल वेलकम टू माय वीडियो as you know gonorrhea means a sexually transmitted disease and it can be caused by multiple partner conception. Which of the following is the best method of refuse disposal in large scale? Which one is the best method for a refuse disposal in large scale? Question number 70. Question number 70 means cemetery landfill. Cemetery landfill. Cemetery landfill. So transmissions of a cycle Japanese encephalitis was severe as the primary host. Japanese encephalitis means a disease that can be caused by the mosquito bite, I think, and severe primary host. What was it? 28. 80 number. 80 means mosquito. Yes, I am right. It is Japanese encephalitis. It means it is caused by mosquito bite. Thank you, bro. Sheetal, you're doing. I think. Sorry, guys. My English is too much weak, so I have to try because in my profession there is a lots of use. Your day is also good, I hope. In the transmission cycle of a Japanese encephalitis that severe as in the primary host. 80 number is mosquito. Mosquito. Which of the following is another name of vitamin B6? What is the another name of vitamin B6? If you know, comment. Pyridoxine. The another name of a vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. 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 Which type of a malaria parasite is responsible for a cervical cerebellar malaria? Cerebellar. Sorry guys, not a cervical, it's a cerebellar. Which type of a malaria parasite is responsible for cerebellar malaria? 20 number. Plasmodium, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium, Plasmodium, Falciparum, Plasmodium falciparum. What is the another term for a brainstorming? What is the another term for a brainstorming? Brainstorming, another term. Creative ideation. Creative ideation. 21. Creative ideation. Creative ideation. Creative. Creative ideation. ID. Creative ideation. Ideation. A 55 years old male with a chronic cough. A 55-year-old male with a chronic cough and low-grade fever, sweating for a month at a night. What may be the differentiate diagnosis? If any patient have a severe chronic cough and a low-grade sweating month of at night, and what may be the differentiate diagnostic? As you health professional and a patient come with a chronic cough and sweat in a night, so what is the first treatment and to cure? The first treatment is that to diagnose their disease condition. So that 22 means encourage that TB. It had to might be a TB because a long term of chronic cough it can be a cause of TB. TB. Remember. What is the most common cause of a gastrointestinal infant? 23. In which medical condition is the abbreviator sign typically present? In which medical condition? 24. Appendicitis. Appendicitis. In which medical condition is the abbreviator sign typically present? Appendicitis. Appendicitis. गाना ना चलिए कुछ नहीं चलिए उम्र जो दुआरे a child with an protrusion. A child with a protrusion should isolated. For a child with a protrusion should is isolated 25 3 to 4 week 3 to 4 week 3 to 4 week. Fluid filled with blister, small size 0.5 centimeter is called fluid filled with a blister. Small size as like 0.5 centimeter is called 26 is called bacillus. B-E-S-I-C-L-U-S bacillus. Remember. The substance which is used to prevent the growth of a microorganism is called the substance. The substance which is used to prevent the growth of a microorganism is called antiseptic. Antiseptic is a solution which can destroy or kill the microorganisms from replication. Normal platelet count is about normal platelet count. What is the normal platelet count in human body? 1,50,000 to 4,40,000 cell cubic. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Which of the following local anesthetic is called a universal anesthetic? Which of the following is a local anesthetic is called a universal anesthetic? 30 number. Did you
बनाए बाबा ओई में छिटकी पड़
did you the most common type of a primary headache disorder is the most common type of primary the most common type of a primary headache disorder the most common type of primary health disorder most primary
मटर है ना दादा
31 कौन सा tension headache tension headache tension headache the most common type of a primary headache disorder is 32
हमारे दाम को लगा दी है ये नंदे नहीं आगे जाके को दी इसी को दी
उनके लिए देंगे
हां
मगर फोन में लो अंदर वो का एक संगत के बाद पूछड़ा कुछ के मांगे कहानी
immunity transfer from a mother
कब से राज जगह ये
immunity transfer immunity
अन्हार है
transfer from mother to baby
हां 7 बजे तक
immunity transfer from mother to baby immunity transfer from mother to baby is called immunity transfer from mother to baby immunity transfer from mother to baby 33 passive natural acquired immunity passive natural acquired immunity passive passive natural acquired immunity transfer from mother to baby is called a passive neutral acquired immunity passive neutral acquired immunity passive natural acquired immunity gather approach is applied in gather approach is applied in 34 it means counseling in a counseling that it is a counseling that patient and as a health professional it can be a gather approach to table talk or face to face connect with a patient and health professional it means a counseling about their problems their disease of anything counseling counseling gather approach is applied in counseling Malaria is caused by malaria and filariasia tutor. Filariasia means it is also called as a malaria like. So it is caused by What is the most common type of fracture? What is the most common type of fracture? It means most common type of fracture क्या है? Most common type of fracture. Forearm fracture. Forearm fracture. Forearm fracture. Forearm fracture. B number. A parasite infections of the skin. A parasite infection of the infection of the skin extremely common in children living in overcrowded slums is 38. Scabies. 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 Polypostistoxin 39. 39 measures cholescopic spot in measles measles Coplic spot is seen in measles. Which of the following is a natural anticoagulant? Which is a natural anticoagulant? Which is a natural anticoagulant? Which is a natural anticoagulant? Coagulant and anticoagulant. It means if any break or damage in a tissue after flowing the blood, which one is the anticoagulant to stop the blood, as like prothrombin, platelets, this all are the anticoagulant to stopping the blood. Anticoagulant. 40 number. Heparin. 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 Heparin is an anticoagulant. B number. Heparin. Innermost layer of epidermis is innermost layer of epidermis. Innermost layer of epidermis. Stom. STRATUM. Stratum basal. Stratum basal. Yes. TRATUM. Stratum basal. Stratum basal. A number. Which of the following is not an audio visual aids? Audio visual aids, it means a radio. Radio have only radio, not a visual. Causative agent of mumps. Causative agent of mumps means a myrovirus. Paroditis. Paroditis. Which leg is thick? Nepal Health Professional Council Act 2053. Nepal Health Professional Council Act 2043. Nepal Health. NEPAL. It means NHPC. Nepal Health. PROFESSIONL Professional Council. COUNCIL Council Act 2053. NHPC. It means Nepal Health Professional Council Act 2053. Cyst in 45, 45, 34. common site liver. Common site for a hydrated cyst in man is called liver. Pap serum is done for detection of Pap serum, Pap serum, cervical cancer, cancer, CERVICAL, cervical CANCER, cervical cancer, B number. Pap smear is done for a detection of a cervical cancer. Female condom, female condom is barrier method, BARRIER, barrier method, NATS. It female condom is a skin, its skin belongs to a barrier method. Secondary sex hormone of male is male in testosterone. Testosterone is a secondary sex hormone in a male. Testosterone, TESTOSTERONA, testosterone. C number. Drug of a choice for a trachoma is erythromycin. Drug of a choice for a trachoma. What is the drug of a choice for a first line treatment of a trachoma is erythromycin. Erythromycin is a bacterial infection disease. It can be given in a bacterial infection disease, so that trachoma is also is in bacterial disease. And lighthouse for a trachoma is ESOM. And the most common sinusitis is in children is ethmoidal, ETHMOIDL, ethmoidal. Most common sinusitis is in children is ethmoidal. Fracture which is broken in more than pieces is a communicute fracture. In a communicute fracture, it can be a broken bone in a small pieces, as like a patient with a rickets and osteoporosis. In this both condition, the bone are softening or weak. After applying of amount of a force, it can be broken in a pieces. It is called a communicate fracture. A child come with an burn of a front and back of the right leg. The percentage of burn is it means BMI. We have to do a BMI, body mass index, and how much of a percentage of a body are born. That's it can be included all in a BMI. How much of a percentage are born in the areas? It means 30.55% of the born area. And we have to calculate what is the suitable position for a patient with a epistatic side and alarm for forward. 25 years of a married woman present with a severe pain, abdomen and a vomiting. The seriousness in a vaginal discharge on our examination, tachycardia and hypotension. What is the your provisional? It means ectopic ruptures and tube pregnancy. Ectopic rupture and tube pregnancy. In which of the following disease skin colors change into the white spot milky? Vitiligo, vitiligo, vitiligo. Which organ secrete bile? Liver. It can be liver is a secret can bile duct. Liver. True. Corona is a single stranded RNA virus. Corona is a single stranded RNA virus.